Welcome back to Out Here in the Garage. I'm working on the 1964 Ford Fairlane 500. Trying to get ready to pull the transmission. Got the exhaust in here. It's got the Y pipe connecting into the exhaust pipe. Undone a clamp, and that connection's been together so long it's not going to come apart. So I'm fixing to have to get out the old trusty Sawzall and get down here and cut the two apart, and then I get the transmission out. Alright, it might get loud. Alright, we'll get out some PB blaster and put this on the blade and figure out we'll cut right in there. This is a brand new Milwaukee blade, so it ought to cut it like butter. If the extension cord was plugged in. Alright, I'm coming back. Had to get some power. Don't know how I overlooked that. Alright, now we're going to cut it. Put some more of this PB blaster, penetrant, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's get that out. One Y pipe. That's been in there a while.